panibago na namang unit na ipapakita ko sa inyo. My name is Jovi from Kim-Kerr Enterprises Company, your trusted supplier of Japan surplus trucks and heavy equipment. This is Sakai SW25 road roller. Maayos ang upuan at original Japan surplus. Meron din itong packet sa likod. Ito naman ang kanyang forward and reverse lever. Water sprinkle to prevent buildup and maintain the drum temperature. Vibratory for better compaction with less effort. Working din ang kanyang busina at meron itong running hour na 5,927. Brake pedal, accelerator, parking brake button, at signal light toggle left and right. Tara at i-check natin ang engine nito. This is Isuzu 3KR1HA 3-cylinder diesel engine, walang usok, walang talsik, at hindi blow-by. Double steel drum na rin ito. This feature ensures smoother and flatter surface. This is articulated type for better stability. It also helps the roller to navigate tight corners, curves, and narrow spaces. Grab yours now and be the first owner of our unit in the Philippines. Pasyal na sa aming yarda na matatagpuan along MacArthur Highway, Barangay Caniogan, Calumpit, Bulacan. You can also visit our main Facebook page, Kim-Kerr Enterprises Co. Japan Surplus. And don't forget to click like and follow our page. Check out our official YouTube channel, Kim-Kerr Enterprises Co. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for latest videos. Hope to see you soon mga ka-sure buyer. Thank you for watching!